Begin with the image of a lonely traveler from the deep void of interstellar space, 3I/Atlas, moving silently, almost defiantly, through the cosmic ocean. Paint it as a message from the unknown, something not born of our solar system, something alien by definition. Use poetic tension. It does not belong to us, yet it passes through us. It is not bound by our star, yet it touches our system with ghostly presence. What is it, and why does it exist? Set the philosophical dread. Humanity has stared into the night sky for millennia, but only now objects from outside our solar cradle have begun to reveal themselves. Oumuamua, Borisov, and now, Atlas. End with the haunting suggestion. Harvard scientists do not simply study it, they fear it. Introduce the moment of detection in 2020, when Pan-STARRS and later the Atlas survey flagged the interstellar intruder. Detail the instruments. Wide-field telescopes scanning the skies for near-Earth asteroids, suddenly catching a body on a hyperbolic trajectory. Describe the who. Astronomers who first noticed its impossible path, a trajectory that could only belong to an interstellar traveler. Emphasize the strangeness. Unlike comets born in the Oort cloud, this one came from outside, a true messenger. Bring in Harvard's Avi Loeb as an intellectual voice already primed by his work on Oumuamua. Scientific shock. Explain the hyperbolic orbit, proof it was not born in our solar system. The velocity, far beyond gravitational capture, destined never to return. Its brightness, coma-like activity, and strange fragmentation puzzled astronomers. Not a normal comet, not a stable rock. Harvard researchers raised concerns. What if this isn't just ice and dust? What if we are misinterpreting something far stranger? Establish tension. Past interstellar visitors challenged our understanding, but Atlas pushed the question further. Deeper investigation. Observational data. Unusual disintegration, a breakup into multiple pieces, unlike typical comet. Atlas's cometary outburst seemed exaggerated, unstable, almost violent. Use imagery. Telescopes capturing a dying object unraveling in sunlight, yet why so fragile? Patterns. Compared to Oumuamua's silent defiance and Borisov's comet-like clarity, Atlas was erratic, as if it carried secrets no model could contain. Insert the mystery. Did it die because it was fragile ice? Or did something more exotic drive its disintegration? The existential unease. 3I/Atlas wasn't merely an interstellar traveler, it was a warning of fragility in a vast universe. Scientists noted the odd timing. The third known interstellar object, discovered so soon after the first two, suggesting our galaxy might be filled with these messengers. Some speculated, are we living in a cosmic shooting gallery, with fragments of other systems passing through like silent ghosts? Harvard voices worried. If these are samples of other star systems, what do they tell us about stability, about life, about danger? Build dread. The deeper the mystery grew, the more fragile Earth's place in the cosmos seemed. Theories and speculations. Present the scientific explanations. Natural hypothesis. A fragile comet fragment torn apart by solar heating. Interstellar shrapnel theory. Leftovers from planetary collisions in another star system, drifting eternally. Exotic material theory. Could its fragility suggest ices or compounds rare in our system, whispering of alien chemistries? Technological speculation. Loeb's stance like Oumuamua. Could Atlas be more than natural? Perhaps a probe, a signal, or debris of technology. Use measured tone. Harvard's fear lies not in wild speculation, but in how each explanation challenges the boundaries of what we thought we knew. Scientific tools and ongoing testing. What instruments probed it? Hubble glimpses, ground-based observatories, infrared telescopes. Efforts to model its trajectory, fragmentation, and material composition. The frustration. By the time models emerged, Atlas had disintegrated into obscurity, gone forever into the void. The ongoing pursuit. Vera Rubin Observatory's future role, space telescopes watching for the next interstellar messenger. Harvard's role, keeping the debate alive, pushing the question of whether the universe is far stranger, and perhaps far more dangerous, than we dare admit. Philosophical reflection/emotional close. Step back. Humanity as a fragile island in a cosmic ocean. 3I/Atlas as a mirror, showing us not just what exists beyond, but what we do not yet understand about our own existence. Reflect on Loeb's haunting question. If these are only the first messengers we have seen, how many more are out there? And what if one day, one does not pass us by, but comes for us? Poetic close. The interstellar visitor disintegrates, vanishing into space, but its mystery lingers. Leave the audience with one final tension. We thought it was a dying comet. But what if it was a dying signal?